What's up, everybody? We're out Christmas tree hunting up in Eagle Meadows.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving Day. So we're up here with the boys and we found our first tree that is a possibility right behind me. It's a good looking one. It's my vote, but Melissa's vote is it's too narrow, which we've always gotten narrow ones. So we're gonna keep looking, see if we can't find another one. And we'll probably end up back here to get this one. Okay, we're on to our second spot. Spotted a tree from the road. So we're gonna go scope it out. Looks really full. This is a spot we've not hit before. And this is all private property that we're on. So you can't necessarily just go out in the forest and cut a Christmas tree. We have 20 acres up here. So we got plenty of property to mosey around and find a tree. You getting out of breath?
I'm not.
Hey, we're not even hiking uphill and she's getting out of breath. Geez, so much for that Peloton. All right, here's the tree that they spotted. It's big.
Beautiful.
It's so wide.
That's not white. Yay. Yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, there it goes.
Easy, easy, easy. Here it goes.
Yay!
What do you think? Hopefully it didn't break any.
Corbin, what do you think? Is it perfect?
That's pretty.
Christmas tree's all loaded up and it's looking like it's gonna be a good tree. It was actually the second tree that we found. As you can see in the video, what we do is I cut it and then I kind of pull it down slowly. I don't just chop it down. The reason I do that is because I don't want to break any branches. So this was a pretty good tree and there's about 4 feet at the bottom that we didn't need. So I usually get about a 13, 14 footer and this one was probably around 18 feet. So then the excess down, we cut those branches off and we use those for like wreaths and swag and like some cool stuff that we do. So my mom got a bunch of those, I got a bunch of those. And so we got the tree loaded up. We're gonna take it on home. We're gonna enjoy Thanksgiving dinner now and just enjoy the beautiful scenery up here at our family cabin and be thankful that we're all here and with one another. It's just us, family, and my mom. So it's getting pretty cold out though. It's really cold. So gonna get inside and thanks for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe, hit like, leave me a comment. Tell me about your what you guys do for tradition for getting your Christmas tree. This is something I've been doing my whole life with my family and something that's really special. So.